When we're looking at the area of a triangle, we have our height and we have our base, and our formula, which is area times half the base times the height. But when we have a base that is an odd number, we do things a little bit different. Usually we divide the base by 2 to show half, but you cannot divide an odd number by 2, so what we do is we multiply it by 0.5. Because we know that 1/2 is the same as 0.5 or 5/10. So what we would do here is we would write our formula as we always do, and then write area equals 0.5 times the base, which is 7, parentheses close, times 4, which is the height. Then we multiply it out. We do 0.5 times 7. 7 times 5 is 35. We put down the 5 and we carry our 3. 7 times 0 is 0 plus 3 is 3. Now we're not done yet. We have to think back to the rules for multiplying decimals. When we multiply a decimal, we count the spaces behind the decimal. We only have one decimal that we're dealing with, and there's only one place behind it, so our answer is going to have one place behind the decimal. So the answer to 0.5 times 7 is 3.5, or 3 5/10. So then you would plug that in. So your area is now 3.5 times 4, because 4 is your height. So now we're going to multiply these two numbers out. We have 3.5 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. You're going to put your 2 down, or your 0 down, I'm sorry, and you're going to carry your 2. Then you're going to do 4 times 3, which is 12, plus 2 is 14. And you count the spaces behind the decimal, you have one space. So it would look like that, 14.0. So our area is going to equal 14 feet, because that is the unit of measurement, squared. Now notice that I just put 14 because 14 is the same as 14.0. Okay, so just keep in mind that when your base is an odd number, you're going to multiply it by 0.5 instead of dividing it. And we've worked a few of these problems in class, so you should have them in your notebooks.